Hello everyone, in this video we have been given alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus x minus 3 equal 0. Now we are going to find the value of 4 beta square minus alpha cube. Answer: since alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x minus 3 equal 0, we can write alpha plus beta equal minus 1 and alpha square plus alpha minus 3 equal 0 and beta square plus beta minus 3 equal 0. Alpha square plus alpha minus 3 equal 0. Then alpha square plus alpha equal 3. Alpha square equal 3 minus alpha. Multiplying both sides by alpha, then we get alpha into alpha square equal alpha into 3 minus alpha. Then alpha cube equal 3 alpha minus alpha square. Beta square plus beta minus 3 equal 0. Then beta square equal 3 minus beta. So 4 beta square minus alpha cube equal beta square equal 3 minus beta. Alpha cube equal 3 alpha minus alpha square. 4 into 3 minus beta minus 3 alpha minus alpha square equal 12 minus 4 beta minus 3 alpha plus alpha square equal 12 minus 4 beta minus 4 alpha plus alpha square equal 12 minus 4 common, then minus 4 into alpha plus beta plus alpha square plus alpha. Alpha plus beta equal minus 1. Alpha square plus alpha equal 3. Then equal 12 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3 equal 12 plus 4 plus 3 equal 19. Thus, our answer 4 beta square minus alpha cube equal 19.